Hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Eric, and this is Wyse Capital FX. And today is on Friday, 24th September 2021. If you're in East Africa, the time is 7:44 a.m. And today I've seen another good opportunity. I've already shared the signal on my Telegram group. This is the signal right here. And I've also shared the signal in my general WhatsApp group. Here it is. This is the signal. So this is a potential buying opportunity, and I really want us to have a look at, or let's do an analysis together of why I did consider this pair as a potential buying opportunity. If you found this content helpful, may you please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give us a like so that we may be able to reach larger viewership. And if you have any comment or question, leave it in the comment section below so that I may be able to respond to you as soon as possible. So let's get started. So this is the pair I'm talking about. This is USDCHF on the 4-hour time frame, and there are a couple of reasons why I've said we go long, and the buying price is around 0.92478. Take profit 0.93223, and our stop loss is at 0.92096. So let's get started. Now, first things first, you should have been able to realize that this thing is going upward. And why is it going upward? So the first reason we could write here, let me change this. So we could say, reason number one is that price is trending upwards. And why is it trending upward? It's making series of higher highs and higher low. So you see this is a strong impulse move. Then we get a retracement. Then we get another impulse move upwards. Then we get a retracement. So that is your reason one. In other words, what we are saying is that price is giving you higher highs, higher high, and higher low. Then we have another higher high at this point. And we get another higher low, like that. Also, if we extend it a little bit further, you should be able to see that we have a trend line at this point. This trend line has been acting as a good support. So let me change the color of this. So let's put it black. So the second reason that we have is that we have a trend line confirmation. So reason number two is we have trend line confirmation. Like that. So we also have other reasons. We've said that whenever price is moving upward, it breaks the resistance, then it comes to retest it. So if I change the color to, you see, this price came to this point. Let me change this color to color blue. So it came to that point, then it was pushed right back down, you see. Then it came again to this point, then it was pushed right back down. So this is a resistance zone. So you see this zone here, the yellow zone, is a resistance zone. So we have a break above the resistance, then price comes to retest it. So we have the second point, with the third point, which is break and retest. Point number three. We have break and retest of resistance zone, therefore making it a support. And like I've told you before, if price breaks a resistance zone, then it comes to retest it, there is a possibility that we will see another push upwards. So that is what we want to capitalize on this particular setup. Also, we could add a fourth reason, which is now the Fibo. So we could attach Fibonacci from this lowest point right here. We drag it all the way to this point up here. And from our previous discussion or the previous videos, you've seen me use the Fibonacci and how we attach it on a chart. If you don't know how to attach it on a chart, I think sometimes later I'll prepare a video on how you can go about that. Or better still, there's a lot of content on the internet that can help you understand how to attach a Fibonacci. And a Fibonacci retracement is used for a trending market. So it is commonly, or most of the time, price will retrace all the way to level 50.0 or 61.0 before it continues to push upwards. So the fourth reason is we have Fibo level, Fibonacci level, which is 50.0, and 61.8. And another interesting thing that you should see is that this resistance zone that was broken, then price came to retest it. This level here is the same as the Fibo level. This gives you more serious confirmation. Right. The fifth reason now is we could drop to candlestick analysis and see which type of candlesticks are we getting at this point. Remember, candlesticks are the ones that tell you it's time to go into the game or to stay out. So candlestick analysis, and let's have a look at what types of candlestick we are getting here. So I'm going to remove some of these tools, and we are going to break it down so that we see what is happening at this point. I'm going to remove the Fibo tool. Fibo, it's right here. So delete. So now we have also I remove this trend line. Then I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you have a better view of what is happening at this area. So just like our previous analysis, you should be able to see that from the higher high, price is giving you some momentum candlestick as it moves all the way down. You see, it goes down, you get huge a bearish candlestick, some small bearish candle, a little bit loss of momentum, but then they peak strongly and they continue pushing all the way down. However, at this point, we get two spinning tops. Two spinning tops which are later confirmed that with a very big bullish candlestick. Remember, a spinning top is a neutral candlestick which tells you like between buyers and sellers, there's no one in control. I like to use a football game analogy. If team A scores 1 and team B scores 1, so you could say team A are the Bulls and team B are the Bears. So each team scores 1-1. There's no clear winner there. So that is the message you get when you see a spinning top. And a spinning top looks like this. Change the color to green. So a spinning top, it could either be red or bullish, and it has a very long upper and lower wing. So it has something like that. And I could, let me change this to maybe color red. So this is how a spinning top looks like. It is a small-bodied candlestick with a very long upper and lower wing. So this was your first sign that the bears are losing control at this point. Then suddenly we get a very strong push going down. If you observe this big candlestick, it has no lower wing, and this is what we call a closing Marubozu, which is a bearish candlestick, but it's bearish. However, it tells you that there is loss of momentum down here. So this, in as much as it's a big bearish candlestick, because it doesn't have any lower wing, it's a sign of weakness, And I'm really requesting when you are listening to this video, you take a pen and a paper and write what I'm trying to say. And then after this strong bearish candlestick, we get another spinning top. So if really bears were in control, why are we getting a small a candlestick at this point? And shortly we get another uh, rather big candlestick, and there later the bulls take control from the bears. So this is your sign. If you carry these two, if you take these two types of candlestick, these three types of candlestick here, we get a candlestick that we call a morning star, and this is your signal that price might be going back up. This is your sign that price might be going back up. Going back up. So later on, we get a little retracement all the way up to down here. And at this point, we get a series of spinning tops and then another big bullish candlestick. So to me, this is like a clear confirmation that the bears have lost interest at this point. At this point, they are not planning to push this price down, and that's why I've recommended we buy these pairs. So at this point, we could expect a push all the way up to the next higher high, this area up here, which has held as a resistance, and this is where we exit from the trade. So we're going to leave it and let it run, and let's see how it's going to perform. If you have any question about the setup, please don't hesitate to leave it on the comment section, or better still, you can write me an email at Wyse Capital FX. And we have an academy that is always on running 24 hours, 365 days a year, and we offer lifetime mentorship. I'll take you through all these things step by step. The truth is, trading is a very wide field and there's a lot we need to cover. Sometimes it's good if you have somebody who has experience in the field guiding you all along till the end. So that should be it for now. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll talk some other time. Thank you so much.